So what's up guys, this is Shubham and you're watching Wrestling Battle. Friends, WrestleMania 37 is going to happen very soon and I'm sure you all are very excited for both nights. But friends, in this video I'm gonna tell you about that 5 superstars who could debut or return on the Raw after WrestleMania 37. So guys, this video is going to be very interesting for you. So watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe this channel and don't forget to like this video. So guys, let's start it. Friends, the first name is coming out and that is for Becky Lynch. Everyone has their one question in their mind that they could see Becky Lynch return onto Raw after WrestleMania 37. The Irish Lash Kicker has been away from WWE for months on maternity leave following the announcement that she was with child. This turn of events led to Lynch relinquishing her title to Asuka after last year's Money in the Bank pay-per-view. The man has since had her baby and seems to be adapting to a mother's life quite well. In that time, we have seen her partner Seth Rollins return to the ring. Seth Rollins has made a name for himself on SmackDown, leading many fans to assume that it's only a matter of time before we see Becky Lynch in WWE ring once again. It also makes sense from a storyline perspective. Lynch never lost her Raw Women's Championship and was forced to give up the belt due to her pregnancy. She has just a big acclaim to be the belt as anyone else, so the man's return would be a welcome surprise among the WWE universe. Friends, what's your expectation, or you want to see the Becky Lynch returns after WrestleMania 37? Please comment in the comment section. Friends, the next name is coming out for Karrion Kross. Karrion Kross could make his debut on the Monday Night Raw after WrestleMania 37. Rumors suggest WWE backstage is high on Karrion Kross as a performer, and it's easy to see why. Karrion Kross has booked like a monster in NXT. He's rolled through the likes of Tommaso Ciampa and Keith Lee and even captured the NXT title in record time. Unfortunately, an ill-timed shoulder injury put him on the shelf for a few months. Now that he's back, the man already has his eyes on the prize. Karrion Kross is set to face Finn Balor for the NXT Championship at NXT TakeOver Stand and Deliver. If proven unsuccessful in his efforts, Karrion Kross could make the jump to the Monday Night Raw. WWE clearly has plans for the guy. It's not often someone is so dominant in NXT and that they get the feel of the main roster monster about them. Karrion Kross making his debut on Monday Night Raw just makes sense at his point for all parties involved. Friends, coming to the next name, and that is for Aleister Black. Aleister Black could potentially return on the Raw after WrestleMania 37. The brooding superstar has not been seen in the WWE for months since he was in action in October in a losing effort against Kevin Owens. This led many fans to wonder why he is been away. Reports state that Vince McMahon just doesn't get his appeal, which has led to creative not having anything for him. It's also being reported that Black is dealing with minor injuries and is taking time to return in the ring. After the departure of his wife Zelina Vega, fans wonder if we had ever seen Aleister Black in WWE ring again. It would be a shame if we did not, as the flagship show needs work rate wrestlers. SmackDown currently has a bloated mid-card that includes Big E, Apollo Crews and Sami Zayn. Andrade's departure has made Raw's mid-card feel anemic. That is need for workhorses on the red brand at the moment, and Black would fit in the bill perfectly. So guys, would you like to see Aleister Black returns after the WrestleMania 37? If yes, please do comment in the comment section. Friends, Adam Cole could make his debut on the Monday Night Raw after WrestleMania 37. Adam Cole has been a star on the rise since arriving in NXT. Now that the Undisputed Era is over, it's only a matter of time before he finds his way onto flagship show. Cole will blow off a blood feud with Kyle O'Reilly at next week's NXT TakeOver. The rivalry is rooted in Cole's action, which led to the breakup of the Undisputed Era. The match will undoubtedly be a cracker, and given the stakes in their upcoming bout, it would be a fantastic way to end his NXT career. Following a win or loss, Cole should then appear on Raw after WrestleMania 37. The fact of matter is that Cole is too big of a star to keep in NXT forever. His charisma, inner ring ability, and match psychology are all main roster caliber. He is destined for a greatness in WWE. What better way to ring in the future than to bring Adam Cole on the Raw after WrestleMania 37? So talking to the last but not the least, it's the baddest woman on the planet. It's Ronda Rousey. Friends, rumors are coming out that Ronda Rousey could do her return after the WrestleMania 37. This self-proclaimed baddest woman on the planet hasn't been seen in the WWE since she lost to Becky Lynch at WrestleMania 35. A return to the ring has never been out of the question for Ronda Rousey, although she voiced her displeasure with the fans. Many feel she did this time in the name of kayfabe. The tail ends Ronda Rousey's time in WWE showcased her as a bitter contender who resented the fans' attitude towards her. It's also easy to forget how well she handled herself in the ring. The Ronda Rousey one put on a great bouts with the likes of Alexa Bliss and Sasha Banks. She also held her own in the Affirmant Mania's match. Despite the fans feeling Ronda Rousey is a superstar, bringing her back in the WWE would be a draw for the company. And I think bringing her back into the WWE after the WrestleMania 37 is the perfect time. So guys, do you want to see Ronda Rousey in the WWE once again? Please do comment. So guys, these are the 5 superstars who could possibly return or debut after the WrestleMania 37. Which one want you to see after the WrestleMania on Monday Night Raw? Please do comment, and I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and share this video with other ones. So guys, we will meet in the next video. For now friends, take care family, take yourself. Bye bye friends. Thank you for watching this video.